Hi there. Today in my SolidWorks video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can create fillets on a sketch. I'll start off by creating a new sketch on the top plane. Right now I'm just going to sketch a rectangle. Now I'd like to round off some of these corners. Using this sketch fillet tool here, you'll see over in the properties box there's a dimension that you edit for the radius of the fillet. I'm going to keep that at 3. In this box I'm required to select the vertex or entities to fillet. So I can select a vertex just like this. Then I can also select 2 lines together like that and get the same result. So I'm going to go around and select all of those. Might just make this fillet a bit bigger so that you can see. Once you've done that, click the tick and the radius of your fillet will appear on the screen as a dimension there. Click the tick again, exit sketch, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be demonstrating some more sketch features in upcoming videos.